Greetings from NCR Techno Solutions. I am Kaushik Ray. In the next 10 minutes, I will talk about Gyani for channel partners. Gyani is our voice enabled intelligent assistant or chatbot that connects brands and manufacturers like you to their dealers and distributors through automated voice and text chat. Across industries and organizations, sales teams constantly travel to meet their dealers and distributors, often to provide very basic information about products, prices, orders, status, and more. There is limited capability of self-service across the sales network. Dealers and distributors have to call their account managers from the brand or manufacturer to get simple information. How much they wished they could chat, or even better, just talk to an intelligent virtual assistant. Now they can. Gyani is a voice-enabled, naturally conversing, AI-powered intelligent assistant that can connect to and has pre-built integration to business systems. Gyani lets channel partners chat with or talk to business systems and intelligently fetch information from your enterprise CRM and ERP systems. Gyani listens to what your channel partners say in text chat or in a voice conversation. It can interpret and understand the intent and convert it to the language your business systems understand. All of these with effortless ease. Now you may be thinking, so who are the folks that will be using Gyani for channel partners and derive maximum benefit? Gyani is a delight for your dealers, your distributors, and your independent reps. Gyani can be used by your direct customers as well. Let us take a look at how Gyani for channel partner looks like. What you see here is the view of Gyani running on the web or on your mobile phone. Gyani interacts with voice and visuals. You can talk to Gyani. You can chat with Gyani. You can choose your assistant's persona. You can personalize even the language or the voice style. Can it get better than this? So how exactly does Gyani help channel partners? Gyani can help your dealers and distributors or even your direct customers decide which product is best suited for a purpose. They can check the price of a product. They can check if a certain quantity of a product can be made available within a date. Gyani can help check the status of an order. It can help you quickly create a new order or update an existing order. It can help your channel partners quickly check which invoices are overdue. And a lot more. What makes Gyani so special is that it has out-of-the-box integration to enterprise CRM systems like Salesforce.com CRM, Zoho CRM, SAP CRM, and more. We offer pre-built integration of Gyani in most of the core CRM and ERP functions. Beyond what is available out of the box, Gyani can be integrated to other functions in any API-supported CRM and ERP systems. Gyani is super convenient to use. It can run on your mobile phone as a mobile app in both iPhone and Android smartphone or tablets. Gyani runs on Google Assistant and practically any interface where Google Assistant runs. For example, in Android TV or in your car dashboard. Gyani runs on smart speakers like Google Home or those that run Alexa. This means that Gyani is almost always with you and ready to use. So finally, we have the big question. How does Gyani help my organization? You may already have the answers by now. Gyani provides a smart platform for your channel partners to self-serve 24/7. Increased satisfaction, faster transactions, and accurate information on demand are few of the direct benefits of Gyani. That's not it. Your account managers can achieve a lot more of sales with much reduced travel, resulting in significant savings in travel costs. Now let us discuss what it takes to implement Gyani in your organization. Gyani is pre-configured with out-of-the-box integration to some of the most popular enterprise CRM solutions. It is pre-trained for most of the common scenarios and utterances. Having said that, we can enhance Gyani to other scenarios and integrate to any other business systems. The overall implementation can take from a few days to a few weeks depending on the range of scenarios and the backend systems to be integrated to. Typically, we will follow a 5-phase approach to implementing Gyani. We typically start off with a use case discovery workshop. We install Gyani and then integrate it to your enterprise systems. We train Gyani for your organization's specific terminologies and provide continued support as you roll out Gyani to the targeted channel partners, departments, or regions. All in all, we will ensure that you have Gyani up and running. So, does it feel like Gyani is a must for your channel partners? It kind of does, right? Using Gyani is like talking and chatting in everyday life with a zero learning curve. Gyani is designed, developed, marketed, and supported by NCR Techno Solutions. NCR Techno Solutions operates out of Princeton in New Jersey and from Kolkata in India. I guess this presentation has given you a good idea of who Gyani is, what Gyani can do, for whom, and how. I invite you to a more detailed discussion with us and see how Gyani can do wonders for your sales team. For more insights into Gyani, do visit www.gyani.ai. Thank you for listening to me. I look to speak to you soon.